What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Like This by 2KBABY and Marshmello. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll take your moms out for a night on the town. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song has one little riff that just repeats throughout the entire song. It is in standard tuning, and as always, if you need the guitar tab, you can find it in the video description. So if you need that, once you get done with the video, jump into the video description, the guitar tab will be there for you. So you're gonna start with a C sharp minor chord, bar the entire 4th fret with your index finger, starting on the A string, ring finger on the 6th fret of the D, pinky finger on the 6th fret of the G, middle finger on the 5th fret of the B. And you're gonna be picking A, D, G, B, and then muting. Then you're gonna go to a B chord, index finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and then bar the D, G, and B with your ring finger. And you're down, you're gonna strum after up, down, down, up. So down, up, down, down, up, and then you mute. And then you're gonna go to an A chord, which is middle finger 2nd fret D string, ring finger 2nd fret G string, and pinky finger on the 2nd fret of the B string. And you're gonna pick the same strings that you did for the C sharp minor, which is A, D, G, B, mute. Then you're gonna go to an E major, which is middle finger 2nd fret A, ring finger 2nd fret D, index finger 1st fret G, and you're gonna strum the same way as your B. Down, up, down, down, up. So, down, up, down, down, and then you mute. So altogether very slowly, it looks like. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.